Hello students, welcome to JCE Connect channel. Today's topic is Class B transformer coupled amplifier. In the Class B amplifier, the operating point is located in the cutoff region. In the Class B amplifier, the operating point is located in the cutoff region. Hence, the transistor conducts only for 180 degree or half of the input signal. It conducts only from 0 to 180 degree in Class B amplifier. To get the output signal for the complete cycle of the input, two transistors are connected in the push-pull configuration. Two transistors are connected in the push-pull configuration. I'll repeat once again. In the Class B amplifier, there is a problem that we have an output only from 0 to 180 degree, only for the half of the input signal. From 180 to 360, no output. So, to get the output signal for the complete cycle of the input signal, for positive and negative both, so two transistors are connected in the push-pull configuration. It is used in the RF transmitter circuit. This circuit is used in the RF transmitter circuit, in which the output signal of the amplifier is fed to the transmitting antenna. The transmitting antenna, the transistors are biased such that in the absence of the RF signal, both the transistors remains cut off. It does not conduct. The two transistors are biased such that when there is no bias current, they will be cut off or they doesn't conduct. Therefore, under quotient condition, the transistor dissipates negligible power or increasing the efficiency. The efficiency of the amplifier, Class B transformer coupled amplifier, is calculated as follows. Efficiency is given as PAC by PDC. So I'll first calculate PAC. Efficiency is PAC by PDC. And this is a graph where we have a current. The path of the current I1 is here for one half cycle. Now I2 will conduct for next half cycle. So total IDC will be Total IDC will be both. The load current will IL. What we get is this way. Both cycles are available. Okay, PAC by PDC is the efficiency, and efficiency we'll calculate now. PAC formula is VRMS into IRMS, and VRMS is VCC by root 2, and this is IM by root 2, or this is VCC becomes VM into IM by 2. DC power is calculated as IDC into VCC. IDC is 2 IM by pi into VCC, or 2 IM, VCC is VM divided by pi. Now we substitute for efficiency. We get VM by root 2 into IM by root 2, this one, divided by this much, 2 IM into VM by pi into 100, or this becomes pi by 4 into 100, or this is 78.5% is the efficiency. This is the Class B transformer coupled amplifier. At the primary side, we have used the transformer. AC signal we are giving here. The biasing network R1 by R2 is used here. This is a phase shifting input transformer. Now two transistors are used because I want one cycle for one positive half, this is for negative half. So we will be having I1 flow and I'll be having I2 flow. So one half cycle because of this, next half cycle because of this. This is the push-pull output transformer, and we'll be having the load current IL. I1 is here, this current is I1, and I2 is this current. Then IDC will be both addition of these two. Then IL will be load current. Efficiency is PAC by PDC. PAC is VRMS IRMS. VRMS is VCC by root 2. IRMS is IM by root 2. So VM by IM by 2. DC power is IDC VDC. IDC VCC, or 2 IM by pi is IDC. VCC is VCC or VM. Then you substitute these values here. I'll get 78% efficiency. Now we'll take one numerical on this. We'll take one numerical on this. Just write the numerical. Class B push-pull amplifier is supplied with VCC as 50 volt. The signal brings the collector voltage down to V minimum as 5 volt. The total dissipation from both transistor is 40 watt. Find the total power and conversion efficiency. What is been given here? It is given that VCC is 50 volt and it is given that V minimum is 5 volt. Then power dissipation, total power dissipation is given as PD is 40 watt. Total power dissipation is 40 watts. PD is equals to P in DC minus P out AC. Total power is given as 40. P in DC is, we have just now derived 2 by pi into VCC into IM, and P out AC is IC max by 2 into VCC minus V minimum. Then IM, if I want to calculate, it becomes 40 divided by 9.33, which is 4.287 amps. Total power input PI DC is 2 by pi into VCC into IM. So 2 by pi, VCC is 50, IM is 4.287. So we get 136.45. P out AC is given by IM by 2, VCC minus V minimum. So we will get here 4.287 by 2 into 50 minus 5, which is 99.65. Now if I want to calculate the efficiency is given by P out AC by P in DC. So we get 99.65 divided by 136.45, 73.03%. This completes the module 3.